Welcome back to Sho Academy. Your brain doesn't think in straight lines. It thinks in webs, in patterns, in connections. And if you want to study smarter, you need to learn the tool that speaks your brain's language, the mind map. Here's the problem. Most students take notes like they're writing a boring shopping list, line after line after line. When exam time comes, all they see is a wall of words. But with mind maps, you flip the script. You turn that list into a living picture of knowledge. Here's how it works. Start with the big idea in the center, say photosynthesis. From there, draw branches, raw materials, process, products. Each branch grows into sub-branches, sunlight, chlorophyll, enzymes, glucose. Suddenly, one messy chapter is now a crystal clear map. Why does this work? Number 1, visual memory. Your brain remembers images and patterns faster than plain text. Number 2, connections. Seeing how concepts link makes it easier to recall under pressure. Number 3, speed. One page of mind map can replace 5 pages of boring notes. Number 4, creativity. Add colors, arrows, even little doodles. The more personal, the more memorable. Here's the smart part. Exams don't test isolated facts. They test how well you connect ideas. A mind map is literally a rehearsal for the connections you'll need in the exam hall. So next time you open your notebook, don't just write notes. Map them. Build the web. See the bigger picture. And make your knowledge impossible to forget. Because knowledge isn't just learned in lines, it's mastered in connections. Study smart. Grade up with Sho Academy.